How's it going? I'm Lockie. This is my shitbox HO75 2H turbo. See if she wants to start.
Lockie, what's under the hood, brother?
Piece of piss. It's the old HO75. The old fucking, the old pig. It's the old 2H motor in it. Recently turboed. Still shit. Still slow. But yeah. Bought it probably, it was June 2017 when I was still in red peas. Drove it for a couple of years as a daily, and then the injector pump stuffed out on it. Pulled it apart, put all new seals and stuff in it, and it just kept leaking, so I turboed it. The usual. That's only been done in the past like month or two. It's an old Schwitzer turbo off a DTS kit. It's got a whistling soot twin scroll mani, just some El Cheapo crossover parts I bought from West Oz. Does a trick. 3-inch dump straight through to the rear of the cab. But yeah. Did the job for a while, and then I bought an 80, and it sat in the corner for 18 months, and then that's pretty much it. So it'll become a trailer pig.
Sweet, what's your plans for it?
What's not plans for it? I just bought a high mount winch bar the other day. I bought a 8274 worn high mount for it. That's going on the front with a new bull bar. I might remake some scrub bars for it. I just pulled them off. Probably up to a 37, but I only got 35 Cymaxes at the moment, not these. I gotta bolt them on. Probably take like all the leaves out but 2, so it sags and just droops because I can't afford a core conversion at the moment. Apprentice things. Yeah, probably put a new exhaust on it. I was gonna do a bit of an exo on it, exoskeleton cage. Yeah, twin lock, so just go twin auto lockers. And then I'll probably bolt the winch on the back once I chop the chassis, chop the tray, sorry. So it'll be a shorty, and then yeah, see where it goes from there.
Right.
See how pushing that guard is on this side?
Yeah, and you've been like doing little things.